Helpline numbers usually receive a variety of calls, and there may be thousands of calls every day, which subdues reception of urgent calls from victims, which need to have the first priority. And if there is vital information about the condition, it gets stored. Sentimental analysis is done on the voice, which is used to analyze the priority of the call to check if the call is coming from a genuine victim. Machine learning can be used to analyze a call, where the audio is converted into text using Azure Speech to Text API, and this text is analyzed by Azure Text Analytics API. We have assigned three priorities, which are the call isn't important, the call is important but it's not natural disaster, and finally the call is related to natural disaster based on the sentiments obtained. When we click on read audio file, it gets the audio file from the system and the audio is converted into text. Clicking on the analyze sentiments, we can get the sentiments value from the Azure sentiment analysis API. The number represents how important the call is, and we also get a variety of key phrases which tell what all the text is about. Okay, so now we add another audio file. So we have programmed it to read the other file. We click on read audio file. Now it's converting that speech from that file to text. Yeah, we got the text from the file. Now we click on analyze sentiments to get the value of sentiment. We got a negative sentiment, but although the call is important, but it's not related to natural disaster according to the key phrases, so we classify it as not important. So from the initial process, we get all the calls related to natural disasters, and we batch process them and store them in an Excel file. So we upload the Excel file to the Power BI query editor. So we make two functions, key phrase and sentimental, for extracting the key phrase and sentimental values from the text. Invoke the custom function key phrase and click OK, and we get the column representing the key phrase for the text. Similarly, we do for sentimental, and we get the sentimental values from the text. From the information that we got in the key phrase and the sentiment column, the operator can analyze the data and generate a report.